Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to show you a truck that you would not miss this in a crowd because the color is really, really cool and it sure shines out at any place that you would ever see it. Tell you more in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. The place where we have close to 100 classic collectible cars, resto mods, street rods, classics, whatever. We have them all right here on our indoor sales floor. Come and take a look at any time. You can look on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, or you can come in person. We'd love to see you. I'll tell you more in a moment about that. But we just got this latest acquisition in, a 1970 Custom 10 Chevrolet Stepside pickup. I'll tell you what, this thing is so outstanding. Absolutely beautiful paint all the way around, beautiful chrome. Everything about this truck is just really well done. Now it's got a 350 Chevy V8, but you've got power steering, power brakes. You've got some upgrades performance-wise. You got the ceramic-coated headers. You've got a bigger carburetor. Just really nice. You'll see those in the pictures. But just what someone who's done this did a really good job. The engine compartment is really just like we like it. You take a look at the inside. Beautiful original type seats. I mean, it still has little patterns in them. Some people go, what is it? No, that's the way they were from 1970. Something they certainly did have. Has an upgraded tilt steering column in it. So you have that ability. So it's kind of nice to have. We're kind of spoiled with those kind of extra amenities and most of our newer things. But in 1970, it wasn't so common. So it's really nice to have here. It's got a B&M shifter, floor shifter, aftermarket AM/FM cassette stereo. But the nice thing about this one that I really like is the fact they haven't butchered up the dash. It is just, it's got the original speedometer, it's got the original gauges, whatever. It just looks just the way it would have looked in 1970. And I just really like that for today's look. Again, with the 1970, you have the wood bed inside. The dual exhaust sounds really good. The little step plates right here. So it's got chrome wheels, aftermarket. It looks like American racing rims with the Radial Tires, which makes this truck go down the road really nice and smooth. Again, you can also find us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. You know, make us a comment, give us a like. Make us a favorite. We're always have interesting stuff on our pages, and you know we'd love to have you take a look at us and make us a nice comment. We appreciate that very much. The other thing is, I mentioned earlier, come on in person. We'd love to have you stop down. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5. Come on in. We're also even open on Saturdays from 10 until 4. Come on in and we can show you everything in person. You can look at this one as well as many of our other very interesting collector cars and trucks that are currently on our inventory. So nice seeing you today. Have a good one. See you next time.